morning from Gracias Señor. We are on our way to Pacific Palisades. That's where we park every day except for Wednesday from about 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. I'm here with our cook and the brains behind Gracias Señor.
I'm a chef, homie.
Sorry, chef.
That's okay, call me cook, whatever. As long as you call me, enjoy my food, you know, it's all good.
This is Rodolfo.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good world.
So we are on the 10 freeway right now. Just got to our spot, which is on Sunset and La Cruz in the Palisades. So we're parked right next to a Ralph's, and this is our truck. I wanted to show you our menu. So we serve mainly all of the traditional Mexican food truck food. So we have all of our tacos, tortas, burritos, quesadillas, burgers, all of our meats right next to them. And then we have our specials, the Benedicto burrito, which is our breakfast burrito, California burrito, which has french fries, surf and turf is really popular, and then of course we have our guac and chips. This is our truck. All of the stenciling that you see, Rodolfo does that himself. Say hello. Hello. Right now we're prepping for the day. So Rodolfo's making sure that we have all the meats and stuff ready. And that is our neighbor truck. I wouldn't really say they're a competition, but they just park right next to us, or we park next to them. Gracias Señor. And I'm taking you inside. So this is where all the magic happens. There's Rodolfo sharpening some knives for us, and we already have some meats on the grill, beans on the stove. So yeah, we're just getting ready for our day. It's a Thursday, so hopefully it's pretty busy.
Can you show them our fancy bench?
Oh yeah, that one. That's the new addition to our furniture. So it's a bench, and then we have it held up with 2 crates. Rodolfo's very proud of it. Are you very proud of it?
Heck yeah. Why wouldn't I? Actually, I feel like just give up my cooking career and go for furniture design.
I'm not sure if it's very stable. So far, no one has fell yet. But I say it's just a matter of time.
Thanks a lot for a lawsuit.
If you sit in our bench and fall down, please don't sue us.
Sit there at your own risk. I should write that down on the bench, actually.
Sit on your own risk. So what are you preparing there for us?
Right now I just got started with a little bit of chicken.
Chicken, cool.
And some marinated pork, which is adobo pork, or some people call it pastor.
It's more known as pastor, right?
Depending on what part of Mexico you're from, or what kind of like wanna-be Mexican you wanna be.
Ooh, that looks so delicious. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is where we serve from. Of course, this is empty, but it's gonna be filled with all the meats, rice, beans, and we're also gonna do some grilled onions and jalapenos back there. And this is where all of our fresh toppings go. So yeah, so we just need to get prepped and ready for the day.
Alright.
So I guess this is my breakfast today. Carne asada fries made by our chef. What's in these fries?
It's freshly made guacamole, French fries, obviously, carne asada, cheese, onion, cilantro, and our house red sauce.
Looks delicious. Oh my god, guys, these are so delicious. So good. Hey guys, so it's a little after 1. There's a little downtime, so we're both having some beverages. I am having a Jarrito strawberry flavor, and it's kind of similar to, I guess you would say, the strawberry flavored Fanta. And I was laughing a little bit because this one, it says, I don't know if you can see, it says made with 100% sugar. So I guess this is not that good for you. And it does have 28 grams of sugar, which is crazy amounts. So not sure this is the best drink I could be having right now. But you know, we're just gonna do it.
It's liquid spice sugar in a bottle.
Delicious, but
of course it's delicious. It's 100% sugar.
But hey guys, so we are all done for the day. We just finished cleaning the truck and left it at the commissary where it stays overnight. It's about a little bit before 6 right now, so we had so we actually finished up pretty early, would you say?
Yeah, pretty early.
And it was a pretty easy day because it wasn't so, surprisingly, it wasn't so busy. We didn't make too much money, but hopefully we can make it up tomorrow because it's Friday. It's gonna be Friday, and it's the middle of summer, so hopefully we get a lot of business tomorrow. Yeah?
Yeah, gotta make it up tomorrow.
Gotta make it up. So right now we are heading home from the commissary. So our commissary is located in South LA, and we're heading back home to LA. It's gonna be about a 30-minute drive if nothing crazy happens. We are on Western right now, so we're gonna take Western all the way back down to LA.
Downtown LA.
Not exactly downtown, would you say?
It's Koreatown. It's pretty downtown.
So like Koreatown. And it is so hot. It's so hot right now. It's like 90 degrees. And we have the air conditioning on full blast, which is a surprise because Rodolfo never puts on the AC because he thinks it's a waste of.
It's toxic.
It's toxic, and it's also a waste of gas. But I'm never without the AC. So hopefully we can get home soon and